are going to do a math talk. Your number for today is
48.
1 minute on the timer. Come up with as many creative ways as you can to represent the number 48. Share within your groups all of the creative ways that you came up with to represent the number 48. Begin.
1 plus 9 plus 3. I got 48 yards, 48 circles. I got 40 plus 8 is 48. I got 49 plus take away 1 equals 48. I got 50 take away 2 equals 48. And I got 39 plus 9 equals 48.
I got 48 and 1.
And another one I didn't finish it, but like if somebody had 8 letters in their name plus and 4, if you put it together, then it's 48.
The 64 in my class, there's
$half
people in the class.
Good.
Me plus 8 equals 40.
And
40 plus 8.
84 times 148 minus the 100 is 48.
Good. How would you write it in word form then?
A dollar minus 52 cents is 48 cents.
Class?
Yes.
Excellent.
Oh yeah.
So now that you've had a chance to think on your own how to represent 48, and you've had a chance to discuss with your group partners how to come up with 48, now it's your turn to share with me. How can we represent the number 48? Let's think creative ways. Group 5.
20 Jekiah plus 27 equals 48.
Can you explain how you got that?
Because 22, which is Jekiah's number, plus 27 is going to equal 48.
So Jekiah's in the classroom number is 22. What's 22 plus 27?
48.
Is it 40?
49.
49. What can we change this addend to make this sentence true? How does
A 6.
a 6. Excellent. So Jekiah's classroom number plus 26. Nice job. Group 4.
12 times 4 plus
12 times.
2. 4.
What is 12 times 4?
48.
So 12 times 4 equals 48. Group 3.
$1.50 minus 2 cents.
Explain that. So he said $0.50 minus 2 cents equals 48. How?
Because $1.50 is 50, so you minus 2 more cents you take away, and it will equal 48.
Excellent. Group 2, what'd you come up with?
A ruler times 4 equals 48.
Can you explain that?
A ruler is 12 inches. And if you count the 12 4 times, it will equal 48. And a ruler is 12, so it equals 48.
Good. So a ruler's 12 inches. If we had 4 rulers, that would equal 48 inches. Group 1.
A half a century minus 2 years.
Which one's talking?
Brock.
Okay, Brock, what do you got?
Half a century minus 2 years.
Explain that.
Well, because a half a century is 50 minus 2 years would be 48.
Excellent. So a half a century, we know a century is 100 years. So a half century would be 50 years. Take away 2 years would equal 48 years. Excellent. Group 5. Let's go around one more time.
22 plus 22 equals 44 plus 4 equals 48.
22 plus 22 plus 4. 22 plus 22, what does that equal, everyone?
44.
Plus 4 more equals?
48.
Very good. Group 4.
48 plus 2 minus 2 equals 48.
48 plus 2 minus 2 equals 48. What's 48 plus 2?
50.
Take away 2 is?
48.
Group 3.
48
Say that again.
48.
Ooh, how would I write that? So she said we could do it in word form. That's a way to represent a number. Write it out. 48 in word form. Excellent. Group 2.
A dozen times 4 equals 48.
Ooh, a dozen. So we're relating this back to like bakery style. I love it. So a dozen times 4. Can you explain that, Luke? What is a dozen?
A dozen is 12 times 4 equals 48.
And group 1.
4 nickels and 8 pennies.
4 nickels plus 8 pennies. Can you explain that, Layla?
4 nickels, I count up 10, 20, 30, 40, and...
Is a nickel 10? You're counting by tens, but you said a nickel. How much is a nickel worth?
5.
So what could we change, instead of nickels, what could we change that to make this true? Dimes. So 4 dimes, let's count by
That's
4.
okay.
10,
That's
20,
okay.
30, 40 plus 8 pennies is how much?
48.
48.
That's
okay.
It's okay.
Excellent job. 10-finger woo our group.
Woo!
Thank you. And those are all very creative ways to represent the number 48.
Which one are you going to pick?